Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me, and I'm also going to be sharing some new products that I got and a sneak peek of the new sofa for the formal living room. We get started with today's video. I want to introduce you to some new products that I got. Let's start with the Tineco brand new cordless vacuum. I am in love with this one. It's a smart vacuum and it also uses Wi-Fi and an app to connect, so you guys could see like the dust, the roller status, and all of that good stuff. It also comes with LED lights and it also converts into a hand vacuum, and it comes with multiple attachments. I have it in my laundry room and I love it. Prime Week, I also got this electric brush, you guys, and I am obsessed with it, so I will link it down below. This is from Amazon. Guys have been following along on Instagram, then you pretty much know that I was sick when I came back from my trip to Mexico, and then the house started looking like this. By the way, we started the pool construction, guys, and I will do a whole video on that. But today we need to clean this house because my new sofa is gonna get delivered on Tuesday. So here I'm starting by taking the cushions, which is so hard to do, from my couch so I could put them in the washer machine because they're full of stains and super dirty, you guys. With my cushions, I put my machine on delicate. I spray Folex all over my cushions, and I also add the Folex solution into my regular soap, and I wash them and they come out brand new, you guys. Here I'm just gonna remove all the cushions and clean this sofa with my vacuum, and I'm gonna use the hand vacuum to do this. I love that my Tineco vacuum comes with multiple attachments, so it makes it easier to clean different areas, like this one here on my sofa, and you've seen the machine with the handle. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clean my sofa with Folex and water, and this is what I use to clean the frame of the sofa. So here I'm just gonna start picking up the kitchen area, washing the dishes, putting things away, and giving the kitchen a nice wipe, including, the appliances and stove and stuff like that. And my air fryer, which gets used on a daily. So we're just gonna give that a nice wipe as well. To clean my bar stools, I also use Folex and water, as you can see me do here. I will link the Folex product down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out.
Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by.
Now that I'm done picking up the kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and give my entire floors a nice vacuum using my new cordless vacuum by Tineco. I totally recommend this vacuum, you guys. It works great on my porcelain floors, also on my area rugs, and on my laminate floor as well. Check the link on the description box, and don't forget to use the coupon to save $20. I'm gonna start by cleaning the guest bathroom downstairs, and since I'm sick, I'm not gonna be using any harsh chemicals. I'm just using Dawn Power Wash. This bathroom always keeps nice and clean because it doesn't get a lot of use showering wise. So I'm here using the brush that I got from Amazon. I love this brush. You guys totally need this in your life.
I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light.
Did a little of organization. I created these cute labels for my shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that, and also organized some of the drawers here for my guest bathroom so the guests could have, the necessities when they come in, as you can see here.
'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
So when I was done cleaning the bathroom, I decided to add a few pops of decor that I recently got at HomeGoods, like this little stool here. I think it would be easier for people to sit down and shave when they're here, whatever. I also added a basket from HomeGoods and I put some towels in there. This cute little orchid arrangement with the wood base is from Ross. It was $9.99. This tray is pretty old. I think it was from Hobby Lobby. And then the soap dispenser and the towel is also from HomeGoods. And this is how the guest bathroom turned out for the summertime.
So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, got a little bit inside me. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright.
I was done with the bathroom cleaning. I came into my dining area to pick up my dining table because I have my Cricut machine and all of that good stuff because I did the DIY labels for the bathroom. So I'm just here wiping everything down and making sure everything is nice and dust free. So my cushions finished drying and I'm over here trying to put them back together. You guys, this is probably the hardest part and you gotta do like the little trick. So, but yeah, I'm just putting everything back together so the family room can go back to how it's supposed to look and have a clean sofa. Let's see how long this lasts because this area gets a lot of traffic. I had to switch things up and create like a little false floral arrangement using things that I already had at home. The planter is from Walmart and the florals are from Amazon, so I will link them down below. But you guys, talk about how clean the sofa looked. Can you see that? All the stains are completely gone. So to finish cleaning, everything is nice and back in its place. I'm just gonna go ahead and map the entire house. And here I am just mapping with my old cedar map. You guys know this is my favorite. What I put is warm water and Fabuloso and a little bit of Clorox to clean the floors. And that's the first water that I do. And then I rinse with clean water and a solution that I use for my porcelain floors. So I do give my floor 3 different, rinses of water or washing, whatever you want to call it. But that's how I clean my porcelain floors and they be looking beautiful and shiny. That was it for today's video. If you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe before you go. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment down below. And this is how the house is looking right now. But don't forget to tune in, you guys, because we just received our formal living room sofa and I will be doing a makeover in that area pretty soon. So stay tuned for that video. God bless and I will see you all on the next one.